Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Asylum seeker allowed to stay after judge confuses Iraq with Iran. An Iraqi asylum seeker was allowed to stay in the country after the judge presiding over the asylum application appeared to confuse his home country with Iran. The unnamed man won his case after the judge presiding over it delivered a ruling based on guidance for Iran and Turkey. Judge Helena Suffield Thompson was assessing whether the applicant's criticism of the Iraqi government meant that his life was in danger if he was to be deported. He argued that his activity on Facebook would put him at risk of persecution should he return to the country. Judge Suffield Thompson found in his favor, pointing to the sophisticated capabilities of authorities to monitor cyber communications. Don't miss, asylum seeker numbers awaiting appeal soars to 42K latest. However, a new tribunal has found that she erred in law, as the risks that she noted related to Iran, not Iraq, who is not known to monitor social media accounts in the same way. The man had his first application rejected in 2019, but appealed the decision, claiming that in 2022 that he campaigned against the Kurdish leadership in the UK and expressed views that would mean he would be at risk of persecution on return as a result. On this occasion, Judge Suffield Thompson found in his favor, claiming that he was at risk from the Kurdish leadership as he had exposed their corrupt practices and behavior. The decision was appealed by the Home Office, who said, "The grounds of appeal assert that the judge had materially erred by relying on the factual findings of country guidance decisions that did not relate to the country situation in Iraq and instead either related to Turkey or Iran. It is submitted that the findings of fact in relation to risk on return are based on country guidance that is not applicable to Iraq." Don't miss, Labour's by-election candidate accused of deceiving voters by reform latest. Labour slammed by Borders watchdog for floundering on asylum hotel's crisis latest. Moment French riot cops clear out hundreds of asylum seekers at Paris theater latest. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. As a result of the alleged error, the whole process was started from the beginning. At the latest appeal, the man's lawyer argued against the Home Office's claim that the case should be reheard. After hearing the appeal, Deputy Upper Tribunal Judge Lucy Murray ruled that there was an error in law, ordering that the case be returned to the first stage of the process to be reheard. Judge Murray said, "It is unclear whether Judge Suffield Thompson mistakenly thought that Iranian case law was in fact Iraqi country guidance case law. The case reference is incorrectly cited by her and omits the word Iran. However, and in any event, there is neither case law in relation to Iraq nor was there any background evidence before her to support the findings in relation to the various sophisticated means of the Iraqi authorities to monitor activities of demonstrators and social media users abroad. In the circumstances, I conclude that assessment of the risk on return due to his activities was based on country guidance that did not relate to Iraq.